Now we'll take a few examples to understand this concept. Now we have to find the equation of line for which P is 5 and alpha is 60. Now whenever you are given P is what? The perpendicular distance from the origin to the required line. And what is alpha? Alpha is the inclination of that perpendicular which you have dropped from the origin to our line. It is not the inclination of our line. So the first part is very simple. You are given P and alpha. The equation that we will use is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Now one thing is very important. Whenever you are using this form, it is quite obvious that you should have prior knowledge of trigonometry. You should have prior knowledge of trigonometry. Otherwise you will struggle in this part. You should know in which quadrant, what are the signs of sin alpha, cos alpha, how do you calculate the values of sin alpha, cos alpha and all that stuff. Otherwise you will struggle in this part. So in the first part we have P is 5 and alpha is 60. Therefore we'll just put in the values x cos 60, y sin 60 is equal to 5. Now cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore your equation is x plus root 3y is equal to 10. The second part is, now P is 4 and alpha is 150. Therefore equation becomes x cos 150 plus y sin 150 is equal to 4. Now what is cos 150? This is cos 180 minus 30, which is minus cos 30, that is minus root 3 by 2, plus sin 150 sin 180 minus 30, which is sin 30, which is half, is equal to 4. Therefore we have minus root 3x plus y is equal to 8. This is your equation. Third part, P is given to be 8 and alpha is 225. Therefore x cos 225 plus y sin 225 is equal to 8. Now cos 225 is cos 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45 means third quadrant, where cos is negative. Therefore minus x cos 45. And sin is also negative in the third quadrant. Therefore y sin 45 is equal to 8. Now cos 45 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2 each. Therefore minus x by root 2 minus y by root 2 is equal to 8. Therefore your equation becomes minus x minus y is equal to 8 root 2. Or you can rearrange it as x plus y plus 8 root 2 equals to 0. Here you can write root 3x minus y plus 8 is 0. That is entirely up to you. The fourth part is P is 8 and alpha is 300. Now alpha is 300, therefore x cos 300 plus y sin 300 is equal to P is 8. Now cos 300 becomes x cos 360 minus 60, which is cos 60. Cos is positive in the fourth quadrant, but sin is negative in the fourth quadrant. Therefore y sin 360 minus 60, which is sin 60, is equal to 8. And cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 8. Therefore your equation becomes x minus root 3y equals to 8. These are your equations to these particular cases. These are your 4 cases. This is an elementary question. This is just an elementary question to make you understand the basics.